Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss firing order in the multi-cylinder engine. Firing order means what? Firing of an engine is a sequence of ignitions for the cylinders if I'm talking about internal combustion engine. So you can write it as sequence of what? Sequence of ignition, sequence of firing, sequence of ignition for the cylinders known as firing order. Okay, so if there are 4-cylinder engines, 6-cylinder engines and 8-cylinder engines, so there is a firing order which must be set for the engines. Okay, so if there is a 4-cylinder engines, according to the sequence, according to the firing order, there is an ignition taking place inside the cylinder. Okay, there is a different for 4-cylinder, different for 6-cylinder, 8-cylinders, like that. So if I'm talking about the 2-cylinder, there is the firing order, that means the sequence of ignitions is taking place one by one. Okay, but if you talk about the 3-cylinder engines, there is a sequence also, there is a firing order. Okay, so if you know that there is a spark ignition engine, that means also known as petrol engine or diesel engine. So in the spark ignition, firing order corresponds to the order in which the spark plugs are operated. I'm just explaining you the firing order means. In the spark ignitions, the firing order corresponds to the order in which spark plugs are operated. Okay, because the sparking is provided, because the ignition is provided by the spark plug in the petrol engine or gasoline engine. But on the other side, when you talk about the diesel engines, the firing order corresponds to the order in which fuel is injected into the cylinders. Because there is no spark plug in the diesel engine, so the firing order corresponds to the order in which the fuel is injected into the cylinder, in each cylinder. So the 4-stroke engine must be also the time the valve openings related to the firing order. Okay, so as the valves do not open, close on every strokes. So we are going to discuss the 4-cylinder engine. What is the firing order for 4-cylinder engine? So I'm just writing here the number of cylinders, numbers of cylinder, and on the other side we will see the firing orders. Firing order. See here, if the number of cylinder is 4, if the number of cylinder 6, if the number of cylinder, you can also consider 5 and 6. So what would be the firing order? For 4-cylinder engines, the firing order is 1, 4, 3, 2. That means the sequence of ignitions would be first in first cylinder, then in fourth cylinder, then ignition will take place in the third cylinder, then in the second cylinder. Okay, so that's how the ignitions will take place in the cylinder. Okay, so this firing order will not be changed in 4-cylinder engines. Okay, the sequence of ignition is 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay, when I'm talking about the 5, you can use two firing orders. The one is first 2, 4, 5, 3, and you can also use the another firing order, that is 1, 3, 5, 4, 2. Okay, now when you talk about the 6-cylinder engines, so firing order must be 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4. This is for 6-cylinder engine. So you must remember this, at least number of cylinder is 4. You must remember the firing order of 4-cylinder engines and also the 6-cylinder engine. 4-cylinder engine firing order is important. Sometimes they will ask you in the questions. So it is 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So this is about the firing order in multi-cylinder engines. Okay. So